Hey guys, in this tutorial we shall start off with differentiation. We know that differentiability gives checks whether the function has a unique slope at a point or not. Differentiation gives the slope itself at any point on the graph. So there are a few basic differentiation that we need to know. So differentiation is represented by the symbol d by dx, which means, or d by dx of f of x means it is the different d in this case means difference in f of x by the difference in x. So basically the slope, a change in f of x by change in x. When there is small part, it's represented by d, and when it's a huge part, it's represented by delta. So d by dx of f of x is the uh, notation for differentiation. So first, d by dx of x is always 1. D by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This also can be seen as x power 1 by 2. So it's 1 by 2 into x power 1 minus 1 by 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2. And also d by dx of any constant, say k, is always 0, and d by dx of e power x is e power x. D by dx of a power x is a power x log a, and d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. So these are basic arithmetic differentiation, and a few trigonometric differentiation would be d by dx of sin x is cos x, and d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. D by dx of tan x is secant square x, and d by dx of cosecant x is cosecant x cot x minus cosecant x cot x. D by dx of secant x is secant x tan x, and d by dx of cot x is cosecant minus cosecant square x. So these are a few basic differentiations that are essential to know to solve problems. So there's one more thing in differentiation, the arithmetic of differentiation. So if we have a function, say u, and another function v, then few basic arithmetic operations on differentiation would be like d by dx of any constant into u is also the same as k into d by dx of u. So both are the same. Now if we have d by dx of u plus v, this is the same as d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. This applies even for minus, so we can include plus or minus. But in case of d by dx of product, that is u into v, this is defined as first function, keep it as it is, u, into the differentiation of the second one, then plus, differentiate the first function, d by dx of u, and keep the second function as it is. So this is for product. And for quotient, u by v, differentiate the first function d by dx of u minus into the second function v minus differentiate the second function into u by square the denominator, v square. So these are 4 basic operations on differentiation. I shall solve more problems on differentiation in the next tutorial.